Applying for postgraduate study. Are you considering postgraduate study but don't know where to start and what to do? Here is a step-by-step guide on all you need to know about applying to City, University of London. Use the Course Finder tool on our website to browse our extensive portfolio and access the dedicated page of your course of interest. Here you can read about course content and modules, teaching and assessment, and career prospects. You will also find key information on start date, fees, funding and scholarships, entry requirements, English language requirements, visa requirements, how to apply, and admission contact details. All City postgraduate taught degrees have a September intake. Some also have a January entry, and a few multiple start dates. Applications for most of our courses normally open in October. Although most degrees don't have a fixed deadline, offers are made on a first-come, first-served basis, and applications close when a course is full, so we recommend applying early. If you have not graduated yet, or are awaiting to sit or receive your results of the English language test, you can still apply. If your study is sponsored by your employer, check funding availability and secure approval from your company first. If you don't have your official transcript, send a request to your university in advance, as it may take some time to prepare this for you. If your course requires references, contact your referees, at least one should be an academic, and ask them if they are happy to submit references for you. If you are an international student, you can also use one of City's approved overseas agents to help you with your application. Applications for most courses are made directly to City through our online postgraduate application system, accessible from the How to Apply section of our course pages. To apply, you will need a copy of your transcript as well as any additional documentation required, for example, academic references and/or a work portfolio, a personal statement where you can explain why you want to study this specific course, show your personality and enthusiasm, and share your career aspirations. Admissions staff will review your application to assess your qualifications, motivations, and suitability for your intended course. You can normally expect to hear back from 2 to 6 weeks after you applied. Please note that for some degrees, you will be invited to an interview or assessment before a decision is made. For any questions about our courses, the admission process, or the status of your application, you can contact the relevant admissions team for guidance. And don't forget, we are here to assist you at every step of your journey to City.